Noorul Huda, that I may term path to enlightenment, is an inspired work dictated by Hazrat Bahu in a fit of divine intuition, it seems. Often when he was seized in a spontaneous urge to divulge the secrets of self, he would dictate to his disciples. Impromptu words will flow from his mouth like a gushing fountain. Extempore, he would dictate pages on pages, books on books. That is how he authored 140 books in his short lifetime. Hazrat Sultan Bahu is not just a saint, no. He is not just a Punjabi poet, no. He is predominantly a great philosopher. His philosophy begins where Western philosophy ends. And it will perhaps take the West many decades more before they are able to grasp his ideas on the secrets of self. This book is about the secrets of self. Hazrat Sultan Bahu, aptly known as Sultanul Arifin, king of the secret knowledge of spiritual realms. I repeat, king of the secret knowledge of spiritual realms, had already warned that the point Aleph cannot be reached without the guidance of an accomplished Sufi master, a murshid. No wonder the Western philosophers failed. Thank you very much.